This video is all about dimensioning. Dimensioning is adding measurements to a part. So under our templates for this video, we're going to be using an English measurement. We're going to use inches and create an inch part. But after this video, we'll mostly be working in millimeters in the metric section. So we'll create our part. In dimensioning, you will draw first and then put in the measurements that you want. So with this basic rectangle here, we click on it till it turns blue, and then you'll see the second click will be a number following you around. We're going to change this to 2 inches, and we'll click the green check. This side we will change to 1 inch, and when you dimension it, it may get bigger or smaller because you're literally changing the measurements. We can also dimension fillets, so we can fillet a corner and then be able to actually double click on that number and change it to a different dimension. So we're going to change our different measurements. We're going to change this to 0.25 and we'll click. So it changed the fillet and you're able to dimension the fillet as well. So we're going to do that with this whole object. And again, you may need to go back in and change. It's 0.25. A lot of times it's just easier to double click and be able to change it here. 0.25. And the green check. So if we're drawing over. And again, we'll just go around and fillet each quarter. These ones are actually filleting to 0.25, so we're good to go. So that would be how you can dimension a side and a fillet. Now with a circle, you'll create a circle, and it's very much like a line. You click on it, and when it's blue, it's ready to dimension. The second click is when you're able to change the number. We're going to change this to 0.5. Now I want to use dimensions to get this exactly in the middle of this rectangle. So when I want to dimension between 2 points, I grab one side first, it will turn blue, and then I grab the other side, and I'll notice a number that's actually meeting in between them. And because this is 1 inch, I'm going to set this for 0.5, so it centers in the middle. Now I need to center it this way. Again, same process. I'm going to grab the outside, grab the other side, and for this one, because it's 2 inches long, I'm going to make this an inch, and when I click this, the circle should move straight to the center, as it does. So that would be how you how you dimension different sides, filleted edges, and between two lines or planes.